Hey guys, so I'm Srijita and I'm going to teach you guys how to drape a sari for the first time for whoever is wanting to do it as a beginner. Today I've taken a black sari, cotton sari, which is very lightweight. It has tassels on it, it has like two colors, and it has like a very minimal jacquard border. So I'm going to take the other end of the sari and start draping. We begin by tucking the sari onto the right side of your petticoat. We take it around and do the same thing at the back. After tucking it in onto the left side of your waist, you take a part of the sari and you pleat it neatly and you tuck it in front of your stomach. Next up, we'll keep a little part of the sari out and we'll start pleating it. Now that the pleats are done neatly, we'll tuck it in towards the right of our belly. Next up, you take the pallu and you place it over your shoulder. Thanks for watching the video and I hope you guys can put it to use and let us know in the comments below.